Hi friends, how are you? Hope you are healthy and safe. In my last tutorial, you learned how to sketch shape of the eye. Moving forward in that, today we will learn to make nose and mouth shape. So let's get started with Mimo. In this tutorial, I will cover the nose and mouth shape. For this, I first take an eraser and a ball pen. You can see that I made a sketch of the eyes in our last tutorial, and this was done by doing a lot of detail. First, I start making the shape of nose. For this, I start making shadows from under my eyes. After that, slowly go towards the bottom part of the nose and create a shadow so that the shape of the nose is complete. Now I make light shadows to bring light on the nose. I also give this light shadow to the bottom area of the nose. If you want to watch part 1 of this video, then press the I button above, or I have provided links for you in the description box of this video. This shadow also connects next to the eye. Now I give dimension to the side of cheek and it goes towards the bottom part of the face. Now I cover the mouth shape. For this, let me make the outline first. To complete the shape of the mouth, make a shadow over it between nose and mouth. Now I complete the shape of the mouth through the shadow. For this, I put shades as we had given for eyes. Remember that when we give a stroke, its direction is the same and there is no gap between the two strokes. Doing this makes the sketch smooth. We use the style of such sketches to make a lady face. Both sides of the lips are covered with dark shades. Now I start making lower lips. For this, first I give light shadows and then slowly darken the shades. Allow the surface color to highlight above the lips. You will see the emergence of lips. Now you can give a dark shade wherever you think it should be dark. It depends on your reference image. Now I give dimension to the side of cheek and it goes towards the bottom part of the face. Part 2 of this lesson is almost finished now. Last part of this lesson we'll cover in our next video. If you want to see my other videos, then press the I button above, or I have provided links for you in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed a lot my tutorial. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do so. And don't forget to press the notification button. Thank you.